Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the outrageous celebrity face in Face It, which is one of the requirements to unlock the new Iron Cafe area, like this. So in this latest update, Iron Cafe is a brand new location, but to open the gate, you need to collect several specific fish, and one of them is outrageous celebrity face like this. And to get this fish, you need to go to the classic cave like this, classic cave or classic island, and you need to catch this fish, outrageous celebrity fish like this. And this fish is epic rarity, so it's not super easy to get. And if you want a better chance, make sure you are using at least a mid-tier setup like Midnight Road or Hazmat Road or anything stronger, and pair it with the Zen Spade to improve your luck. And after that, just keep fishing in this classic cave or classic island, and it might take a few tries, so just be patient. And when you got it, you will get the fish that looks like this. It will look like this. It has a black and yellow color like this. I think it looks so cool. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get this outrageous celebrity face in Face It. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.